So the government is expanding its investigation into insider trading, and here to talk about it is Wall Street Journal editor Colin Barr. Good morning.
How are you?
All right. How are you?
Good. Good.
So, once you guys caught up on the story today, we got some numbers behind what it is that the government is investigating.
Right. So the government is looking at about 120 people as for criminal charges potentially for insider trading. This is important because one of the things that happened in the crisis was that we had a bunch of big banks, for instance, fail, and there were no top executives of them who were charged criminally. And you can make of that what you will, but a lot of people say here's a failure by the government to prosecute apparent wrongdoing. And of course, in those cases, the problem is it's very difficult to prove intent. It's difficult to prove that anybody was acting to enrich themselves at the expense of others, right? They were doing things that enriched them, but they would say, well, we weren't trying to run the company into the ground. Why would we do that, right? So those cases have proven very difficult for the government to bring. On the other hand, these insider trading cases, they've brought 66 of them now since the crisis, and they've had convictions in 57. And so, they see this as a way to show that they are going to prosecute people who try to take advantage of the everyday person who puts their savings in the market. And this is, one of the sort of the underpinnings of the markets is this notion that you can trust the markets and you can invest in a company or you can buy ETFs, and you can do so feeling that you're not being taken advantage by anyone. And the whole thing about insider trading is that these small groups of people that collect inside information and act on it basically make money at the expense of everybody else. So this is a huge priority for the government right now.